Yo, what's going on, guys? So I found this killer deal on some Brembo brakes for the truck. As I was saying, I did want to get some. And I'm actually on my way to go pick them up. Reason I'm taking the car is trunk space. It's front and rear is actually Brembos, and I don't want to put them in my truck because they're going to be sliding all over the bed. Got some cash there to pick them up. Killer deal. I'll talk about them a little bit more once I, finally scoop them. But let's go and let's get these babies. Okay, so I just got back home. Went ahead and got the brakes. I'm actually filming on my iPhone 10 right now. So I did forget the camera, so it should be 4K. Should be pretty chill. The guy, he gave me these crates to have all the stuff for the brakes. It was actually really helpful because I forgot to take towels to put the brakes in, so he wrapped the calipers really neatly in here. This is one of the fronts. It's a 6-piston. It's really big. This is my forearm. Yeah, it's almost the size of the forearm from my elbow to halfway through my fingers. These are big brakes, man. And I don't know if I can open this one without taking it out of the car. Or probably not. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna unload these. That way I can show you guys properly what came in the kit and what these cost regularly, which I actually kind of stole these, to be honest. Alright guys, so here they are. Here are the front rotors. 2-piece rotors. Said they had 11,000 miles on them. They're pretty thick. As you can see, the pad life is pretty good on those Brembos. But man, these things are massive. I'm actually going to measure them right now to see what's up. And they come with the stainless braided lines as well, so it's going to be really helpful. So there's a 6-piston fronts. I'm going to assume they're 15-inch. These are here's the rears. There's a 4-piston for the rear. Quite a bit smaller than the front, but still as big as, say, an AP racing caliper. There's a 2-piece rotors as well. These are a little deeper because you need the e-brake for them. So as you can see right here on these trucks, the e-brake is kind of like a drum setup. Right here, it's where it engages. So I'm happy to see that it has that, so I will not be losing my e-brake. I was really concerned about that. Would have been bummed if I didn't have that. Here's the other front rotor. It's the back side. And then here's the other rear. And the front is also back there somewhere. There it is. Oh, it's the back side. These brakes use like a bracket sort of deal. Man, I just can't get. These are a lot bigger than I thought they were going to be. I scooped them up and I was just like, oh my god. So I saw them and I was like, dude, I gotta get these. I had some AP Racing brakes that I was actually about to make a video on. Got them really cheap, but I saw these, so I called Parker and I was like, hey, yo, dude, do you want the AP Racings that cost? That's one thing. I don't like making money off my friends. So I usually sell everything to them at cost. I'm not gonna lose money on it, but I'm definitely not gonna try and make money off of them. But yeah, man, can't get over how big these are. So anyways, gonna go ahead and measure them now. Front rotor, and as expected, these are 15 inches. Pretty big. Most big brake kits are only 14s, except for Wilwood. Wilwoods are 16s. These look like they're these aren't 15. There's no way. Let me go ahead and there we go. No way, these are 15s? I guess they're 15 all around. The fronts look bigger to me, but well, okay. Well, that's cool. I could have sworn they were gonna be 14 and a quarter. I think they are. 14, 15. Okay. Well, I guess that's cool. Yeah, it's pretty cool. So it's actually the truck's over there out in the street. I'm gonna go ahead and take one of these calipers to see how it's gonna look like on the truck. Get a rough idea at least. So here's a stock wheel. and I'm kind of concerned because you look at the stock caliper and it's not too thick. There's not that much space. Of course, this one's going to be more towards the outside, but look at these monsters, man. I don't even know how I'm going to do this. I kind of just gently set the caliper on the ground, and this is going to take a good 1/4 to 1/3 of the wheel. Big caliper. And the factory calipers are, rotors are 12 inches. So the 15-inch brake rotor is gonna come out maybe like up to here. This is gonna fill up the wheel like the whole way, I think. Yeah. So when am I gonna put these on? I'd like to do it soon, but I don't know if it's gonna clear the wheels. It's gonna for sure clear them in the back. I don't know about the front. Maybe we'll do another video for a test fit, and then once everything's a-okay, I'll install them. And let's go on the computer and let's go see how much these things cost. Guys, we're on Race Technologies' website. Race Technologies is the United States distributor for Brembo products. There are actually a couple exits up out in Irvine. So I think these are officially made in Italy. I want to say Italy just because on my GT500 that I had, when I was getting the calipers powder coated, it did say it said made in Italy. I don't know why I'm going down there. So I'm gonna put in a Silverado. Gonna see what these go for. Here are our brake calipers. These are basically $5,000. $5,000 for the front brakes. And here are the rears that we also have. Well, I guess they're kind of in the track spectrum of things. I wonder what that means. We have to check that out. So the rears are $4,350. So this brake setup's a little over $9,000. With tax, you're gonna pay an even $10,000 for these brakes, which is insane. I'd actually totally pay it, you know, when I'm further into my career. But right now, there's no way. I'm lucky I got a really good deal on these. I only paid a fraction of the price. So there we go, 15-inch, 2 discs. So I want to see what this means. All right, comfort, lightweight, or definitely lightweight, but this says, I guess it could be lighter or stiff. Heat rejection is okay. Thermal capacity and comfort. I mean, it's good that they're going to be comfortable. I'm really glad that it's going to be comfortable. And these are drilled. I'm assuming Type 3 is going to be drilled and slotted. So we're going to go ahead and click on the rears. There's no way these are 15-inch. Where's the spec? 14-inch. Okay, so somehow my tape measure was wrong on that. But yeah, there's the rears. I was looking at the calipers, and one of them's gonna have to be slightly touched up. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Just picked these up, and when am I gonna put them on? Maybe not exactly too soon. Maybe in a couple weeks. I'm definitely gonna be doing a test fit pretty soon. See if the wheel clears, and then if the wheel does clear, then I'll go ahead and schedule an install time. And it's actually the biggest thing I'm gonna do to the truck all year. So it's kind of weird that, you know, it's gonna get done like now. And you know, I bought these in the first week of January, so I got 12 months, and you know, this was a big part of my budget for the truck this year. So I mean, it's cool it's getting done, but it's also kind of disappointing because I was really excited for this, and you know, maybe do it sometime during the summer. But hey, it happened faster than I thought it would, and that's okay. I'm gonna go ahead and get it done. Whoa, look at these 8 pistons are cheaper than the 4 pistons. Also 15-inch. I don't really like how they look. 6 pistons are better. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time.